Am I the only one that didn't know about these overlooked soil amendments? Okay, let's be honest about something. The title of this video sounds like total clickbait. Secret soil amendments that triple your harvest. I get it. It sounds like one of those ads promising miracle results from some exotic powder. But here's the thing. I've been testing soil amendments for years, and there genuinely are a handful of commercial products that most gardeners have never heard of. Products that aren't marketed to home gardeners, that don't have flashy packaging, but that consistently deliver results that make you go, wait, what just happened to my plants? So today, I'm sharing 4 of them. These aren't secrets in the sense that they're hidden, they're just overlooked. And the harvest improvements, well, let's just say I had to start giving vegetables away to neighbors, ready to see what actually works. Let's dive in. Let's get into it. First up is humic acid concentrate, the powerhouse behind healthy soil. Think of it as the concentrated essence of compost, fast-tracking years of decomposition into a single application. Its main superpower? Unlocking nutrients already in your soil, making them available for your plants. Humic acid chelates minerals like phosphorus and calcium, turning them into forms roots can absorb. It also improves soil structure, boosts aeration, and increases water retention, great for both sandy and clay soils. In my garden, a weekly drench of diluted humic acid led to deeper green leaves, stronger roots, and noticeably bigger harvests within one season. My peppers and zucchini exploded with productivity. Healthier soil equals more resilient, productive plants. If you want to fundamentally improve your soil's health and yields, start with humic acid. It's the first thing I recommend to anyone serious about gardening. Let's move to the next amendment. Next is liquid kelp concentrate, a fast-acting multivitamin for your plants. Made from seaweed, it's packed with micronutrients and trace minerals often missing from garden soils. Kelp also contains natural growth hormones like cytokinins and auxins, which boost root growth, flowering, and fruit set. I use it as a foliar spray on tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers when they start to flower. The result? More blossoms, fewer drop flowers, and bigger, tastier fruit. I alternate between soil drench and foliar feed every 2 weeks during peak season. It's a simple step that delivers a powerful boost to both yield and quality. Let's talk about the next amendment. Third is fulvic acid, the nutrient superhighway for your plants. Fulvic acid molecules are tiny, allowing them to transport nutrients directly into plant cells. This means faster, more efficient nutrient uptake and healthier, more resilient plants. I see the biggest impact on leafy greens and tomatoes, faster growth, larger leaves, and better fruit quality. Fulvic acid helps prevent issues like blossom end rot by improving calcium delivery. I use a blend of humic and fulvic acids as a soil drench with my regular fertilizer. The result: less wasted fertilizer and a more abundant, higher quality harvest. Now, let's talk about long-term soil health. The final amendment is azomite, a volcanic rock dust packed with over 70 minerals and trace elements. Every harvest removes minerals from your soil, and most fertilizers don't replace the full spectrum. Azamite slowly releases these minerals over months and years, rebuilding your soil's mineral bank. Just sprinkle a little on your beds once a year and rake it in. The effects are subtle at first, but over time you'll notice more vibrant plants, richer flavors, and better resilience. It's a set-it-and-forget-it amendment that quietly builds a stronger, more productive garden. Let's wrap up. So, there you have it, humic acid, liquid kelp, fulvic acid, and azomite. These aren't miracle cures, but they're the 10% that takes your garden from good to great. Start with healthy soil, sunlight, and water. Then use these amendments to unlock your garden's full potential. Have you tried any of these, or do you have your own secret amendment? Share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. See you in the next